Super excited about adding additional lights to my 2025 Christmas light show. We'll showcase 3 new lights setups I'm going to be doing. These are the Govee curtain lights too. I'll be putting those in front, right in our front window, along with our new Christmas tree lights and this awesome projector right here that will be doing some cool patterns that you can see right there on the wall. We'll be adding all that fun stuff. Super easy to do. If you want to do this for your own Christmas setup, you'll definitely want to watch this. Let's get into it.
All right, so yeah, we're gonna start with the Govee projector light. This is made for outdoor elements. It's gonna be super cool. So if you want a quick, easy solution where you don't wanna string up a whole bunch of lights and do all this other stuff, this might be a quick, fun, festive Christmas light show that you can actually do with this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Good size, look at this, guys. It has the cool RGB lights over here and then the laser mechanism over here. Assembly on this is gonna be pretty simple and easy. So let's go ahead and attach a few things. So it comes with this cool arm, hand screw right here, and we just literally put it through the hole and hand tighten it. Same arm, and then you can loosen this to change the angle of the arm. And then it has some other solutions where we can mount it to this plate, and then we could actually maybe mount this to some 2x4s or whatever. Or they have another solution. If you take it outside, you're gonna attach this stake. So just like that, and then we can take it outside. It does come with these screws right here, and it comes with the right type of wrench to tighten them, and then drywalls too, so anchors if you need to use the anchors. All right, so now we're just gonna tighten these screws in, just like so, with this nifty tool. Like that, we'll get that attached. So we got that attached now. And then we got this real quick. And you can see, I just got that right there on the fireplace mantle. And then, yeah, you can actually secure it to another base like that. But we're gonna play around with this. I wanna really see how this looks. So let's go ahead and hook it up now to the app, get power to it, and see what all the features this can do. So let's take a look at this now. So I want to point out that this cord is super long, which is nice. It actually has an extension. So it has this thinner cable right here that you can add as another extension, and then it connects to this nice thick cable that you can use for outdoor. And then, you can actually seal it so that it's watertight, and it just comes undone like that. So definitely has some extra length for this that is super awesome. Let's go ahead and plug this in. So I'll be right back. All right, we're plugging it in. I'm gonna grab my other phone here. Oh, it got some power. We just see that. And we're gonna now tie this in to the Govee app, guys. I'm already seeing some lasers going on. We got the RGB effects going on. That's doing this galaxy thing. Oh my gosh, this actually is really cool. It's already doing stuff right outside of the box right now. I have the app pulled up to devices on the app, and then in the top right-hand corner, there's a plus sign, and it's gonna look for some devices. I found some string lights. I don't need to do one. Let's see if we can find another add device. And there it is, right there, top hand corner, top of the screen, right there. Let's go ahead and hit add device. And it's asking me to hit the power button on the back of this, and that's what's gonna sync. So I literally just hit the on and off button for 1 second. And just like that, it found it. So let's click done, and now it's gonna add it to the app. And Wi-Fi connection successful. We are in. It does have an upgrade, so let's go ahead and have it run and do the upgrade. So we got laser dots going all over the place. Go ahead and pull up the app, and let's look at some of these different scenes. They got a Christmas setting. They got Christmas stockings. Oh yeah, look at it. It's just doing these different patterns. Stockings, Christmas trees. So it's actually altering the laser to do these different and special effects. So that's what's super cool about this is that, like a lot of the projectors that you buy, you have to buy them with the specific ones. This one, because it goes through the app, they'll release different patterns and different things like that. So you can actually go through and choose the different options.
That is super cool. So you could put this on a garage, on front of a house, a lot of different options.
Is we'll unbox this right here.
And let's check out these Govee curtain lights too. I had the first set, but this one is totally upgraded and better. And you can do some really cool light shows with it. And this becomes the brain or the heart of the whole thing. So, whoa. All right, so these Govee curtain lights, the version 2, these are definitely an upgrade from the first version. And some of the things I want to point out for outdoor elements. So it can be in the rain, sprinklers and stuff like that. The first version, this part of it is rated to have for those conditions, but not the brains and the power source. So that needs to actually be, it has a lower rating. They fixed that and they created these sills. So when you extend it, they're watertight for each one of the extensions. They give you plenty of cord. Look at that, tons of cord. Let's go ahead and plug it in and look how cool it'll be. Check this out. Look how awesome this is. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I just want to kind of get these going so that we can showcase them, get them installed on the app, you know, do all that fun type of stuff. I'll probably hang it right here in the corner, but we're gonna get all these things talking to one another. That's what's gonna be super cool about this. All right, so I've got the lights over there, the Govee curtain lights number 2 in the door frame right there. Look how cool how that lights up and is doing the rainbow. So I got the Govee app pulled up on my phone right here. So let's go ahead and go back and hit devices and add like we did on the other one. So there's the curtain lights. Let's go ahead and add, and it's connecting to them. And we're gonna go over here and hit the power button. So I just need to press it once, and then on the app, it should recognize it, synced. See, just like that. So we've got it, curtain lights. That's so cool, right? Obviously I've got the projector and all that in the way. At night when we get this all going, it's gonna be even cooler. So we'll definitely be playing around with these. All right, so we've got the lights set up now. We got the curtain lights actually talking to this TV right now, and it's mimicking the fire on the TV as well as these lights and this lamp and these other lights way there in the background. Let's go ahead and unbox this now. So this is the third part. Let's go ahead and do that. If you're liking this content so far, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. But let's go ahead and unravel this. So this is as simple as setting up any of these other Govee lights. We'll be just unraveling this and we'll just go right to the app here in just a second and I'll walk you through it. All right, so let's go ahead and install these lights right here on the Govee app. So let's pull this up. So these are the new Christmas lights. So let's go ahead and have it connect. Let's hit the power button back here, connecting, and there we go. These are the new string lights, and they're actually the Christmas tree string lights. So let's go ahead and do that. Christmas, done. Okay, connected to Wi-Fi successfully, and there we go, right? Let's go ahead and do upgrade. Let's just get it done real quick while we have everything here. There they go. So there's a bunch of customization that you can do inside of this too. All right, so if you're looking for some great options for decorating for this Christmas year, and lighting is one of those, check out these Govee lights. They are a perfect solution, super easy to install. All the hard work is done through the app where you can sync these with music, sounds, and all sorts of fun stuff.